we're going to do a song. Definitely an amazing song. I'm very scared of this song because it sounds very ancient. We've spoken about it, yeah? It's called IGAZI. It features Zile Zondo on the album. So today we'll see how we share it and do amazing things. Let's see how it goes. IGAZI.
Salwa na mambo abayikho indlela bephinde bejike siyambonga thina sizalwa nezinsizwa thina sizalwa namambo bephinde bejike siyambonga